Hey, testing, 1, 2. We are live, boys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are live. Happy Monday morning, everybody. Thor, good morning. Fred Yeager, Sean Trader, John, good morning, John. Yes, we are on. Jack Wiley, Lawrence Harris, Timbo Trader, Tech 111, Lazy Bunny, R5 Studios, good morning. I am Bruce Lee, Best Guest Trading, Jake Dell, Eric, GPS Trading, RXHX, good morning. Black Coffee in the building, Micro Player. All right, we are open market. Have a pretty big gap to the downs. Like this gap, it's kind of an interesting, I mean, we're 200 points away from the gap fill, so it's kind of it feels like one of those days where it's a gap and go. But we shall see. We shall see. Max 90, good morning. The Hoodie Trader, Zugfest. Good morning, Ace Undercover. Levi Rodriguez, Timely Bible Verse, good morning. Jose Gonzalez, Tanush, good morning, Tanush. All right, fellas. Okay, getting a pullback here. Hold on. Seeing this thing dump now. Hey, Mike, good morning. Sharuz, good morning. All right, I need to get the clock up here. We went on me and the whole family, we went on a bike ride. We went on a bike ride this morning, and I just got back. I'm a little bit, I'm a little behind right now, but such a beautiful morning this morning in Sarasota. A beautiful morning. Wow, look at this pullback. 720s. We're about to test the VWAP here. Hey, boy, maybe we are going to fill that gap. Maybe we are going to fill that gap. Testing the 710s now. Wow, this is starting to look like we might actually fill the gap down to the 600s. It's about 100-point pullback. Wow. The daily chart on NQ, I mean, it was looking pretty bullish, but I don't know. We're going to be patient. Testing the 700s now. Hey, good morning, Davis Bar. Anybody else have issues with Rhythmic not connecting? I see. Yeah, I don't have Rhythmic. So sounds like Rhythmic having some issues. Good morning, VatQ. Good morning. All right, getting a bounce off the 700s. Let's see if it's going to hold. Wow, look at that. Down through the 700s now. Man, this is starting to look interesting. Boys. 690, 680s tested. I don't know. That's what I'm wondering, Frozen North. Are we going to see the gap fill at the 600s? I kind of think we will. That was a pretty massive sell-off here so far, and I don't know. I think that 600 is going to be a magnet. Let's wait and see, though. Trying to get another bounce here off the 690s. It's trying. John, tired of the weekend gatherings with friends? Oh. Yeah, we actually have, man, I'm going to have a busy middle end of the week. We're flying back to Ohio Wednesday morning, and then we have 2 different Christmas gatherings that we're doing, and then Monday morning we're flying back down. These next 4 weeks are going to be rough. I'm going to be flying back and forth on the weekends a lot, and we'll see how it goes. Design knob. It's all the food. Oh, dude, I'm eating way too much again. The rate I'm going to have to go on another cleanse. I'm going to have to go back as soon as Christmas is over. I'm going to have to go back, and we're going to have to do a lemon juice cleanse again. I'm afraid we're going to have to do that. A couple firms no longer offering Project X. Yeah, I mean, that the writing was on the wall. Do my boys enjoy flying? Yeah, it's kind of become, I mean, it used to be a big deal. They, going on an airplane ride was a big deal to them. Now it's just like, they don't mind it, but it's not like they get that excited about it. But it's nice. I mean, it's only a 2-hour flight back up to Ohio, so it really is, it is pretty nice. Do I have a set goal per day? Yeah, I like to see around $200 to $300 per account is a great goal of mine. Yep. Man, we're just not seeing much of a bounce here. I'm starting to think we are interested in this 600 level. But we'll see. Gotta be patient here. All right, I need to check something. Wow, look at that. We could not get above that 720. Wow. Let's see if we make lows. See if we make a new low below this 680 level. All right, here we go. All right, new lows below the 680s. Man, we just can't get anything going. It feels like, I don't know, let's see. I mean, it is the holidays. I don't expect, like, after this 9:30 open, it's probably going to slow down quite a bit, I would assume. I mean, it's trying to get something going here, but everyone and their mother have to be playing the gap, so it would. Yeah, I know that. It's a good point. Everybody thinks it's going to gap fill, so it's probably going to fake out and then just rip to new highs. But I don't really care if it gap fills or not. I mean, I might get a setup if it gap fills, but try to be patient. Man, we're just chopping back and forth now. Well, I don't know. Maybe we're going to be stuck here at the 700s. Watch. Hey, good morning, Tickhound. Arask, good morning. Does my payout would get denied if I trade 10 contracts on a 50K account? On Apex, on a 50K, 10 minis, yeah, I think you're only supposed to do that. Depends what your balance is, but possibly. If you only did it for like in and out and you got out right away, probably you're probably fine, but I was hoping to scale 800 first thing. Oh yeah. Best guess trading. If I entered a trade with 8 micros and sold 7 of them inside a minute, would they consider the trade still open? No, that I tested that, best guess. They will void those profits. Doesn't matter if it's partial. Okay, yeah, if it's a new account, yeah, you're not supposed to. All right, we're trying to get a bounce off this 700 now for the third or fourth time. Let's see if we can go. Let's see if we can get it going. All right, let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Looks like this might, I guess, hey, here we go. Let's see. Back above the 720s now. Can we keep going? And we're struggling. Oh man, this could just be a chop fest now. I don't know. I don't know. We'll wait and see. This might pay. Yes. Just saw your video on funding ticks. It's so unfortunate because I liked them before all these changes. Yeah, I know, Frozen North. It sucks. It really does. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. I kept thinking that they're gonna come out and walk back the changes. Yeah, I thought I actually thought they would change it, but it doesn't look like they will. So I guess it is what it is, but man, that's sad. Man, this is a I mean, this is a tempting setup for a short, but man, this is tempting actually. Technically, though, we're not below the VWAP, so probably can't take this. All right, we're trying to get back above the 30s. There she goes, 30s. Is this just going to rip straight back up now? Wow. Wow. We're trying to get back above the 740s now. I don't know what to look for. If this thing goes, we just gonna chop right here. Almost need to get back above the 800s. Which I don't know if that we're gonna make it that far, but maybe. Oh, Santa rally will not be denied. That's right. The Bulls need to get above 746 and hold it. Yeah. They call profit rewards, charge outrageous fees for each trade. Oh, you mean on the commission stuff, Gordon? Yeah, they were definitely looking back. I don't know. It's starting to look like we want to go higher. Let's see if we get above the 750s. Then we have the 7, 8, or the 800s. Interesting. I don't know why. I'm not sure I buy this rip higher here, but it is ripping up through the 750s. Oh, boys. Hang on, guys. I got to take this call. Hey, we're back. All right. Okay. Getting the pullback. Did not see, guess we couldn't make it back above the 50s. Ah, man. I knew today we might not get much of a setup, but why not try? We're gonna wait, see if we get something. We need to get away from this VWAP. Yeah, I was on the phone, boys. I need to make a phone call. Something with my trip. I'm noticing an issue with one of our flights. What is going on here? Oh, please tell me that I didn't get the wrong flight. All right. All right, I'm on hold. I'm on hold with the airline. I got to double. I think I might have booked the wrong day. What is my secret to my patience? I don't know. Just wait. If you go live with Tradeify, but you have more than one funded account, do they consolidate them? Okay, timely Bible verse. If it's the old plans, they will consolidate. But if it's the new select plans, then they will give you up to five live accounts. Long Russell 4 contracts holding. Let's go, Black Coffee. Let's go. Yeah, John. The secret is once you lose enough, it makes you patient. That's facts. That's true. We're gonna be. Hey, good morning, Mr. Wall Street. Wow, we're just, let's see if we make new lows, 680s. Really just not, it's going to be hard to get a setup with the way this price action's going. I need to, I think the best chance at a setup is if we make new lows. John. Or just play the range. All right, trying to get a bounce off the VWAP here. It's easy. Let's I don't want to have another trade like we had on Friday though. I don't want another one like that. That was crazy. that was crazy. You lost your mom on 12/21 in 15? Oh man, I'm so sorry, Mr. Wall Street. My condolences, Mr. Wall Street. I'm sure the holidays are always holidays just are probably a lot harder that way. Trade Ranger, that was fun. It ended up being kind of fun, but there were moments where I was not having that much fun. It was pretty fun though in the end. That was pretty hilarious. That was crazy. That was pretty crazy. Oh wow, John. Wow. I'm sorry. Sorry, John. Yeah, the man, that it definitely makes it different. It was fun listening to you talk trash to NQ. I'm trying not to bring it up too much, Niles. I don't want NQ to remember. I don't want NQ to remember how much I trash talked on Friday. Hopefully NQ has a short-term memory. Hopefully. And down we go. 690s. We're seeing it. Down we go. Feel like we can get a short setup before we get a long setup today. Now we just need a little bit of a slow move lower. Anyone remember how old they were when they quit believing in Santa? Well, I don't think I ever believed in Santa, to be honest. Yeah, exactly, traitorous chick. That is tough. I still believe in Santa and I'm 30. Oh, I better be careful. I'm going to ruin Christmas. I'm going to ruin Christmas for someone. All right, moment of truth here. If Santa doesn't exist, who brings all the gifts? I knew I should have been quiet. I shouldn't have said anything. Oh, no. All right, let's see if we make new lows. All right, we still haven't made new lows. All right, can we make new lows, or is this just going to double bottom and rip right back up? Feel like we've seen a lot of double bottoms lately, so this is where I'm actually kind of tempted to do something here. Oh, I wanted to check how's silver looking. Silver just not really doing that much. This is where I'm actually kind of tempted to tempting, but I'm not going to take it, I guess. All right, back up to the 700s. Can it hold, or is this just going to roll over? We feel like double bottoms have been, we've seen a lot of double bottoms lately. On Friday, we saw multiple double bottoms that held. But we still got that 600 level down. We still got that 600 gap fill. Makes you think, makes you think. We got the tan line trend coming. And here we go. Let's see if this makes new lows. Feel like we need to make new lows right here. This is where I want to take a trade where I've this is a tempting, like I've had this kind of as I might actually add this as a trade setup going forward. Or you basically have an attempt double bottom and it fails to make new lows. And then when you break back above the previous candle, which would be this one right here, then you take the long at the break of that previous. It's kind of a reversal play. And man, I'm tempted. The stop is basically below the lows. But all right. Yeah, that double bottom looking good. That double bottom looking good. It is in a range. Just trade the range. It's too easy. All right, we could not get above the VWAP. Maybe we make new lows now. I watched the story of Kyle, and while I don't doubt he had lots of hurdles to overcome, I don't quite get the rags to riches vibe from it. I did not watch it, Design. I did not watch it. When am I going for the holidays? Wednesday. Wednesday. We'll be streaming tomorrow, but then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'll be off. I'll be gone. We'll be back. We'll probably be back then next Monday. I might be in the afternoon though. Our flight back to Florida is on Monday morning. Next Monday morning. So you know how that goes. We got to make new lows, guys. We got to make new lows. All right, back up. Here we go. Let's see if we get back above the VWAP here. Man, it's so tempting to go long right here. I'm so tempted. Ah. This is kind of the setup that I like on those reversal plays, but am I going to keep my funding ticks accounts high buy? My goal is to get a payout. If I can get a payout, great. If I blow up the account, I really don't care, but I'm going to try to get a payout. That's basically what I'm going to try to do. All right, we got to get back above the VWAP. Got to get above the 715s, 720s. Yeah, I don't know. It seems like that NQ is not that interested in filling the gap. I feel like if we wanted to fill the gap, we would have done it. We would have done it already, but I don't know. Oh, this is gonna be a long day. Ah, come on, market. Either make new lows. I need to make new lows and then we can take a short setup here. Come on. Come on, market. Just make new lows. Come on. Wait, I'm frozen? What? Is it really just gonna do this now? All right, here we go. New lows coming to you. Here we go. 675. Come on. Watch this thing double bottom. Watch this double bottom. Oh, we made new lows. Let's go. Okay, okay. All right, we can look for a short setup, folks. Finally. Man. Come on, market. This is crazy. Michael Batak is talking about how they're going to make everything right, guys. They're going to make everything right in January. I want to ask, am I going to get my XFAs back? Because I should have had an extra payout on those. Am I going to get it back? Probably not. It's too bad. Come on. Okay. Man, please just, I wouldn't mind right here a bounce and an entry and then a rip lower down to the 600s. And there we go. New lows, new lows. Falling apart. Okay, there we go. Down, down we go. 650s. That gap fill's looking good. $650s. There she goes. This is the worst case scenario if we just go straight down to 600s. Now I'm not even going to get a setup. It's rough. We're very confident in Top Step X, not considering another platform. Of course they aren't. You know why, Dove Gordon? Because Trade of 8 booted them. Trade of 8 told them to get lost. They couldn't get on Trade of 5 or Trade of 8 if they wanted to. They made the bed and now they just need to live with it. Yeah, here's the gap fill, folks. Here's the gap fill coming. Man, I wish I was looking at this. Technically, I was like, maybe I could have taken a setup here, but we didn't make new lows, so it would have been a little bit of a iffy. I was debating it, I'll be honest, but I was also debating taking a double bottom long, so I guess being patient was the right move, probably. All right, getting a bounce off the 630s. Yeah, day one, Jay. Exactly. They made their bed and now they're gonna lie in it. That's what's happening. They basically have put all their eggs in one basket called Top Step X, and they're gonna live and die by it. They're saying that it's way more stable now, and I want to tell Michael, I'm like, yeah, the reason Top Step X is more stable now is because everybody stopped trading it. Not everybody, but a lot of people stopped trading it, so therefore it's not going to be as overwhelmed. I guess that is one way to do it. That is one way to do it. I need to go grab some. I need a cookie. Mm. Oh, that's some good cookie. Some good cookies. Mm. Oh, that's some good stuff. Michael has asked what you learned. What did you learn, Michael Patak? He said he learned that having a stable platform is very important. Wow, that's a shocker. Next time he wants some wisdom, he can call me for free and I can tell him that. I could have told him that for free. So you're telling me if you only offer one platform, you're telling me that it's going to be important that that one platform is stable? What? it just, to me, it like the one glaring thing that we need to talk about more, like the fact that Top Step X is also owned by Top Step. So they created their own platform. Like, I just don't see, for example, when the outages were happening, this is just going to use an example. Last week, when Top Step X was having all kinds of issues, they have all the data, right? So they can see, okay, if we make the outage, if we classify the Top Step outage from this minute to this minute, they can see exactly how much it will affect them or not. For example, if they're eliminating and voiding all the losses in the outage window, if someone had a $50,000 account and they blew up that account like 1 minute after they deemed as the outage, who do you think they're going to be? Like, I just don't understand how they can not be, like, that's not okay. Because they can see exactly when the outages occurred, and it is up to them to determine which minutes the outage is, and anything outside of that is not going to be affected. So if someone blew up an account, of course they would have a serious conflict of interest on manipulating their outage window so as to best benefit them. And I just do not understand how is that okay? Like, that cannot, they're basically, well, just trust us. We have your best interest at heart, which we know as prop firms as a whole, not just Top Step, every single prop firm. When you're trading sim funded money, trust me, they do not have your best interest at heart. They just don't. Like, it's a business. They're going to make money, and just stop, don't, it's just not true. So at some point, there is going to come a time, at some point in the future, there is going to be a massive lawsuit that is going to basically be highlighting that conflict of interest. Because there is no doubt about it that they have a major conflict of interest based off of that. Like, and I don't get it how they can get away with it, but what can I do? Hey, Jay Fernando, Take Profit Trader, you have an email that any eval I've asked goes permanently to live? Dude, that's where you want to be, Jay Fernando. Congratulations. That's my goal. Okay, we might be getting close to a setup. It's time to pay attention. I never understood what you meant by conflict of interest until you just gave that example. Yeah, exactly. Captain Crunch, that's always been my issue. A prop firm should not have its own platform, period. And that's why Tradeovate is, it's just, I don't care if you have the good intentions or not. But once you're, okay, timeout, we need to pay attention. Can we be aggressive and go for the gap fill? We might not even get filled here, but we're going to try. All right, are we going to get filled? I kind of want to get filled here. Come on. If we rip higher right here, I guess I could get another entry up here at the 705s, but feel like if we're gonna fill that gap, right here is where we need to do it. Give us another leg lower, take out the 600s, and then you can do whatever you want. I love this setup though. I'm taking it, and if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. No, Fred Yeager. Trust me, I'm gonna have to go on a diet again. It's not good. Hey, thank you, Marcos. Thank you. Merry Christmas to you as well. Oh, I wish this thing would rip lower. Come on. Dump it. Come on. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. What kind of sick fill was that? What? That was insanely terrible fill. We need to dump right here, right now. Come on, do it. I mean, I did not like how that filled, but maybe we're okay. Dump it. Come on, you trashy market. You want me to talk dirty to you again? Because I will. Come on, you pathetic market. I don't think that's a good idea. Yeah, it was because it was micros. That's what happened. Dump it, you dirty dog. This is always the problem with these kind of trades. If it rips now, we're going to get it. It's doing the trap. It's doing the trap move. Trapping the shorts and now rips it back up. I hate it when it does that. We're just going to have to be patient and let this trade play out. If we get stopped out here, probably going to call it a day. Just hoping this EMA holds. But I don't like this. This is not looking good for us. Not looking good. Hey, Guidish, thanks for the sub. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's the old hope and nope. I think I shouldn't. I don't think the market liked what I said to it. I think the market got offended. This is not looking good, guys. Come on, market. Just dump it, please. Yeah, this thing's gonna rip. Come on, man. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Rip. Yeah, we are cooked, chat. We are cooked. Oh, well. Might just grind higher now the rest of the day, I guess. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me, guys. Don't talk. Don't talk. Shh. Quiet. Quiet. Nobody scare anybody here. Everybody stay calm. Shh. Just everybody just stay calm. Don't talk. Don't talk. Shh. Good morning, Dabda. No. Yeah, it's that was the old hope and nope right there. That was the hope and nope. We're cooked, chat. It's unfortunate. I thought we had maybe something. Thought we had something, but nope. Shh. I don't want to watch. I don't like that. Yeah, this is we're cooked. We're cooked, chat. Totally cooked. It can't. It's the 670s are holding, and we're just not able to get back above that 670 or below. We can't. Seems like we can't get down below the 670s. Well, hey, we tried. We tried. It's okay. We'll take the L. Oh my word, not the 6-7 again. No, I'm going to stop saying that. Guys, you guys are as bad as my 12-year-old. You know what? I'm going to go on a walk. I think it's a good time to go on a walk. What do you think, guys? Yeah, this has to be the dumbest market ever. I agree. Actually, I'll just stay here. I'll stay here and watch it take me out. I'll take it like a man. I'll take it like a man. Because I am a man. And we're about to get taken out. Yeah, the longs are in play now. I do agree. I mean, I don't know. Feel like I thought we want to take another leg lower at least to try to fill this gap, but this is probably what's going to happen. We're going to make a move back up to the VWAP. We're going to test the VWAP, and then we're going to roll over. It's unfortunate. I think we might, maybe we test the 7-10s again and then we roll over, but oh well, it is what it is. Tory tan lines was broken. Yeah, trades by Neo. There is definitely a chance it'll take me out and then drop. Kind of don't want to watch. I kind of don't want to see it happen. Just take me out, market. I know you're going to do it. I think if we break above the 690s here, I think we're going to see a pretty good breakout and then kind of a fake out. I don't know. Feels like it. Market is also very slow now. Here we go. Ready, set. About to get stopped here, folks. We have accepted it. Go ahead. Just hit me. Hit me. We're about to, there it is. There it is. Yeah, that's unfortunate. But hey, it was a good trade. We just got stopped out. We just got stopped out. Now let's see if this will continue. Let's see if it continues or not. Still a little biased to the downside. Still a little bit biased that we're going to take out that 600, but don't know when that's going to be. All right, guys, I actually think I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to call it a market's moving very slow. We've got some visitors coming tonight. I've got some work to do. I got to hang up. I've got like 10 curtains that I need to install. I need to hang up like 10 curtains. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And then you know how it goes. But I think I'm going to call it a day here. It's one and done in the bad kind of way. All right, guys, I'll be back tomorrow, though. We will be back tomorrow. So tomorrow will be the last stream of the year. Last stream of the year, man. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. 2027 is just around the corner. That is wild. So, all right, everybody. Thank you. Thanks for the support. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. Take care, and God bless.